Hi, good afternoon. Today we are on day 6, and I'm very happy to see the results. Many of them are getting good results, and it's quite bubbly and rising as per our expectations, and it sustains. It goes to its full capacity, like you can say, uh, when it is rising, it is bubbling also with the good smell, and it sustains on the peak. So it is getting strong day by day, and of course, I hope you are working with the say some of the people, they are not good getting the results because either the water issue, the water maybe, if may or may not, as I've said earlier also, the RO water, sometimes what happens, if the flower is weak or whatever the reason, the water may not have that good bacteria, and it does not support, so you may not get the bubbles, or you may not get the fermentation and the good bacteria in it, and that could be the reason. So the safest way in that case, I will say, do use the tap water, but boil it and cool it completely, and later on you can use that water. Okay, so that could be the reason. Or another reason, if your flour is weak or maybe not a good quality, then also it can be the reason. The other reason can be the weather, the ambient weather. If you are keeping in the jar, do not keep very airtightly, I can say. Sometimes what happens, that gas or the fog can be created in that, the ethanol whatever they are releasing, so that gas can be trapped in it. Okay, so just keep a thread loose of the lid if you are keeping in the jar. Okay, so see, this is what I have fed in the morning. Yesterday night I have posted the video before I went for my sleep, and at morning they were happy, live, bubbly. So I have fed it again in the morning 8 o'clock, and you can see, still now, it is right now 3 p.m. Okay, but still it is surviving, and smell is better than yesterday. So it is not that strong, but it is mild fermented with the whole wheat. Now with the maida, you can see there are some less bubbles, but that completely okay. And again it has a nice smell. Okay, so this is what we are looking for, and we will continue this process, say, thrice. Now you are feeding at the intervals. If you are getting this result, then you have to feed at the interval of the 8 hours. That means you can feed thrice a day. First day we had done the feeding at 24 hours or maybe the 48 hours, as soon as we have seen the some activity. Okay, then we have shifted to from 24 hours, then we have shifted to 12 hours, and now we are shifting to 8 hours. So day by day the starter is getting strong enough, and that means it can develop a good gluten in it, and it may hold the shape. When you are going to bake the bread, it should hold the structure of the bread. Okay, one another thing I just wanted to share with you all, guys. Few of them, they have inquired, can I use this for my gluten free bread or the some gluten free recipes. I would like to say, as per my knowledge, see, if the person is gluten allergic or a celiac patient. In India, we do not have so far, celiac patients, much more of it, as per my knowledge. But yes, gluten intolerance, or it can be gluten allergic. So in that case, if you have the gluten allergy, I will suggest not to go for the whole wheat starter or the maida starter. But yes, you can, if the gluten intolerant person, if the bread has been fermented for 36 hours or more than that, the science study have shown that the gluten intolerant people can digest these breads because gluten had been digestive in the total 36 hours fermentation. So only in that case, okay, otherwise I won't suggest this starter for the gluten free people if the people are with the gluten allergy or the celiac. Okay, if you are following any diet, suppose say you are following some gluten free diet, then you can use this starter to make a bread that is okay. So I hope we are clear with that thing. Yes, Shilpa, is it still okay to feed twice? Yes, it is okay because your temperature is low in Australia. So it is okay to feed twice in a day. But if you say what the activity what we have got, so this is right now also, it is, it has not started to fall down. You can see just a line. Right now I have picked up the bottle, so because of that it has gone down. So whenever you are seeing this line and the starter gets falling down, that time you should discard and feed. So almost we can just now, a day away for the whole wheat starter to get matured completely. I can say by day 7 or by day 8, it is completely ready to make your bread. Okay, but for maida, I will go for more 2 to 3 days, and let it get completely, it has to, the bubble should be some big, some nice. And I'm loving the maida starter. It is so creamy and totally non-sour. Okay, so you also should get the same result. Okay, Shilpa, that's completely okay. Yes, I know you are with us, but the temperature of your this thing is some low. So that's the reason I am asking you, I am requesting you to feed twice a day, and then you can go to thrice a day. I'm so happy. Oh, Karuna, thank you so much. We are so glad, so many of the people, either from India, Mumbai or abroad, they are trying, and I'm getting so many response on my WhatsApp, on our Facebook page messengers, on our messages, even on Insta. We are getting, the pictures, the queries, and we are trying to reply to you all. Okay. So, or if you are not getting the reply, yes, we will, try to get as soon as possible. Can we use this in making regular breads? Yes, Deepa, our goal is to make the regular breads. So we have made this starter. But yes, only thing is right now we cannot make the bread because it won't give a good result because it is still in the process of maturing. So right now, yes, they are baby, but there are some grown-up babies. And once they are completely done, they are matured, we will call it as a mother. Okay, so the culture will be matured, the mother is ready, and on the last day I will also show you, I will let you know how to maintain the starter. Okay, so just now I'm just feeding, and yes, this is the discard what I have collected from my yesterday starter by yesterday night, and today morning also I have. Deepa, yes, you can make with milk bread also, you can use this starter, no worries. Okay, so here, wow, I just would like to show, see the starter. Bhagya jara dhire. Okay, see, okay, it is a fermented whole wheat starter and it's very nice smell. I'm just going to store in a discard, and do follow our page, guys. We are going to share the weekly, the recipes what you can make from the discard, and definitely we are getting so many requests to have the workshop online. Actually, I personally do not believe to have the online workshop for the sourdough, because sourdough is such a beautiful medium and it is very close to my heart. So I would like to respect it what it deserves. But unfortunately, right now the lockdown and many people have requested us to take the workshop. So we are going to try our best and we will let you know, but it will be a paid workshop, because sourdough actually need, to touch and feel the dough, and it should be like, because they are live bacteria. So do offer your love, do offer your gratitude, and you should be so confident that even with the blind, like, closing your eyes and you can feel the dough. That has to be the connection with your sourdough. So that's the reason still till now we have not gone for the online workshop, and we used to do the physically, involving yourself, and we used to do the workshops. But because of the lockdown, yes, we are going to announce a workshop maybe by next week. Because we are giving the time to all the people, still maybe whoever started late, or maybe they have not got the result for any unknown reason. So we are giving that much of the time. Just go ahead, just mature the starter, and once we are done, so next week we may announce our online workshop. Whoever wish can join us. We will be live in that. Yeah. Deepmala, for the probiotics, okay, let me think over. Even that we have got the workshop, online request. So far, me and Ani are not that tech savvy person, but yes, we will try with the platform, the Zoom. So let's see, because we had tried earlier once, via messenger or WhatsApp, but we were not happy with that. So we were discouraged to do the online. But anyways, we'll try. Okay. After shifting to the jar, not double, is it okay? I have to wait, or how many hours? Okay, you can see the small bubbles down, so it means it is active. So what you can do, Sandhya, if it is more than 12 hours, then I will request you to discard and feed. And again, the water you have to, if your water is not good, then you may have to take care of it. So better to use the boiled and cool water. Yes, Dipmala, we will try. After shifting to bottle and with one dress to the mixture is same and bubbles seen as it was seen in previous days. Is this normal? What is the temperature, Akhila? If it is low temperature, then keep it in a shut oven, or keep the wool, some woolen cloth, or something that it should keep it warm. Or either you can just add 1/4 teaspoon of the lemon juice to it to boost up the activity, or just check the water quality. Thank you, Preeti. Okay, so let me just feed the whole wheat starter. Shubhrata, lid should be, as I've said, it just have to keep one thread loose so they can get the air. Okay. Okay, so this is my whole wheat flour, and today the spoon is big, so I'm just adding. Okay, I have mixed the flour, you can see that, and I'm just going to add the water to it. Okay, so I have mixed the whole wheat. I will just always do not forget to clean from inside. I will do that later on. And the same way I am going to feed the maida also. See the maida one, how beautiful it is, so creamy and bubbly and very nice. Okay. So this is what you should also get it. I am just collecting in the discard. Almost the 50% I have taken out of it. And I'm just going to feed the new flour and water to it. Okay. Does flour quality matter when we Preeti, no, not necessarily. Both the starters are just to, it is a rising agent for your bread. So definitely, but yes, only thing, the whole wheat will ferment fast than the maida. So according that, you can just take your call and to use that much of the starter, less or more, according how far you want the result, the fermentation. So that way you can work. Yeah, Nisha, that is completely okay to feed your starter with the lemon juice. Okay. Once this starter is ready, as I've said, it can live for centuries and centuries, guys. They have the long life than us. And there is nothing like, some people say, oh, like, I had the San Francisco starter, or I had some another starter, or so and so. Yes, that's good that, chances are there the strains are of the, flora, the ambience from there. But once it has been brought to Mumbai, and if you are going to feed the flour and water of Mumbai and the air of Mumbai, then definitely it is no more San Francisco starter, but it is purely Mumbai starter. But yes, you can have a good feel that the ancient history of the starter goes to San Francisco. Girvani, if the temperature is warm, then you can keep it in the water bath. Otherwise, it is not necessarily to keep in the water bath. Deepika, if it is very bubbly, then check the jar what you have kept in. If the jar is very wide, then it may not get the time to rise, but it may get expanded. So that could be also a reason. They give me a very yes, Soumya. Why the reason yesterday's video I had discussed. That when you start the the volume, say 3 spoons of the flour and 3 spoons of the water. So the water is heavy than the flour. Okay. So when you are going to put the equal amount of it, chances are there that it may make it liquid because of the water is heavy than the flour. But in the whole wheat flour starter, it is okay to have the same ratio, because the whole wheat flour needs more water, because of the enzyme activity, because of the husk in it, because of the fiber in it. So it absorbs more of water. That's okay. But after fermentation, it may go sour, it may go liquidy, because it is hungry. Okay. So I think we have covered the queries of today, and nothing much to say. Instead, we are just doing the discard and feed, and some of the questions what I have already replied. So do keep discard and feed. If you are at earlier stage, do discard and feed twice a day. If you are with me and you are getting good result, good bubbles at the 8 hours, then do keep feeding thrice a day. Okay. And always do save the starter only from 5th day. I can say, when you are getting no foul smell, Okay girls, okay, and even whatever the discard you are saving, better to use in say like 15 days or a month, because it is unfed starter. So chances are there, you know, there lots of organic acid, acetic acid will grow highly in it. Okay, so better to use the discard also fresh whenever you make either roti, chapati, your pizza bread, your naan bread, your batura bread, or the lavash what Anita have shared. Even I am going to share few good easy recipes, so definitely do follow on our page. Right now I switched on the AC, otherwise it was hot, so we'll keep in the water bath is okay. Erika Fernandez, please explain 1:2 ratio. When do you start? Okay, Erika, when the starter is like, you know, some subtle, the smell is not very pungent, it is showing the activity, the bubbles are there, but it is not very bubbly, it is not very pungent, and it is some subtle. So from there you can discard 50% and you can feed, one part is your starter, two part is your water, two part is your flour. Okay, and that you can feed to that and you can carry on, and after that on day 4th or 5th, and you can save the discard as well. Why we say not to save discard in first few days, as we have discussed earlier also, because the you know, the few, there are the bad bacteria also with the good bacteria, and they fight on that, you know, to get established. And bad bacteria are more alkaline, what we do not need for our starter. We need a good acidic bacteria, and that's the reason the lactobacillus bacteria what we are looking for. And that's the reason first few days, it may be for 4 days, it may be for 5 days, depends on the weather, you have to take your own call, and you have to discard and feed, and you have to do that. Okay. Yes, Mehak, we are going to try to share more the recipes, and you just make them and do let us know the feedback. And we do request you, all of you, whoever are making the starter with us, please post your pictures on our page, and finally the day, you know, we will get all the results collectively. We will be happy to see, you know, that so many people they have done, and it will be inspiration for others as well. Okay, so any more questions? Then bye for now. Okay, have a good day, keep baking.